Good morning, you guys. I'm back with another video. Today I'm cooking Sunday dinner. I'm cooking collard greens. And I'm baking me a rib in the oven. I just finished. Let me see, can I cut this light on? I just finished cleaning my rib, getting the membrane off and all the fat. So now I'm finna soak it in some apple cider vinegar for a while. Okay, so I'm gonna soak my rib for like 15 minutes. And while they're soaking, I need to start to clean up my kitchen, you guys. My kitchen is a mess. I got stuff thrown everywhere. Okay. So how is your morning? Mine is going pretty good. So far, I'm up really early because I know I had a lot to do. In this pot here, I have my smoked neck bone. Okay. So I'm letting that cook for a while, you guys. While my rib over here, my greens on deck. So I'm about to clean my kitchen. Look at all this fat and stuff I got off my rib. So, okay. So hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So now I'm about to season my rib. Ouch. Garlic powder. I cut half of it off. Because I didn't probably gonna eat all of it anyway. This is onion powder. A little garlic salt. A little black pepper. Ooh, gonna make me sneeze. I know you guys, I ain't give me a plastic glove. So I'm gonna massage. Okay, I massaged it. Oh, that black pepper. I massaged everything in here nicely. Wash my hand. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Okay. Bless you. So I'm gonna add a little beef broth, you guys. But I'm gonna wrap it up in aluminum foil. add a little of this. Top layer. So when you wrap it up, try to do it really tightly. Okay. I'm going to just add a little water to the bottom of the pan. That's it, that's all. So I'm going to put it in my oven. I see Binks walking. And I'm going to get ready to clean my kitchen. All right. Okay. Okay. This is what I use to clean my kitchen. So I'm going to sanitize and see it's a disinfectant and everything. So I'm going to clean my kitchen. I'm going to spray my sink, my counters, my aluminum pan. This stuff smells like medicine. It says kill all. Okay, and this smells like medicine though. So, so when I get my sink all cleaned up, you guys, I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I done cleaned my kitchen up. I did more than I thought. I vacuumed and did everything. But I'm back now. So now I'm going to put my greens in. So I like to season, once again, with some garlic powder. A little garlic salt. Onion powder. And I put a dash of soda in my green, guys. Hold on. Okay. Now, I'm gonna add my greens. The soda make them a little tender. Because sometimes you can get greens and they can be tough. I know I'm going to have to close a lot of these windows. And I just have just a little bit of water in the pot. Because I usually cook my meat. I have a smoked neck bone until it basically get done. Then I put my greens in there because I only had a little water because the green's going to make its own water as well. So, then just go through the top. Just with a little. And a little slap, ya mama. So, I'm going to let them cook down. Let me check my rib. It's hot, y'all. It's supposed to be some storms later on. cook my rib for like 3 hours for the meat can fall off the bone. And then I'm going to add a little barbecue sauce on here, you guys. And I got to make some cornbread for my greens. And I was thinking about a pasta salad, but I think that is just a little bit too much. But I'll see. Well, you guys, I got some more cleaning up to do over there with all my seasonings. So I will catch you guys on the other side. Bye-bye for now.